been busy working all night, and I'm telling everybody I'ma get it right. They know what I'm living like. I've been busy.
Good morning, guys. I feel like I always start the video off here in the mornings. I don't know why. I'm about to think of a different place to start the vlogs off. But what's up, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day today. Today's video, obviously by the title and thumbnail, is the best shoe trees to get. We'll get to that later. But right now, I just want to let you guys know that Collection 1 Hypebeast is coming up pretty soon, March 15th. Stay tuned. Book the date on your calendar. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Snups. I just made a Snups account for Collection 1. Follow that. It's right here. It's my name, Ben Mantra _. But I have a shelf in there for my Collection 1 drop. So follow that. Follow my Instagram. Follow my Twitter. Because on March 15th, I will be setting it live on there. That's where you're going to know. And then March 15th, I will drop the video. But at 12 o'clock, I will be dropping the website. So you have a better chance of getting the items right when it drops at 12 o'clock if you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Because my YouTube video won't be going up until like 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So stay tuned to my social medias. On the Snups shelf, it has all the items dropping on Collection 1, Drop 1, Hypebeast. And then it has sizes that will be available, if it's going to be limited or it's going to be a general release to everybody. Because one t-shirt is going to be really, really limited. I'm not going to tell you guys that. You have to check on Snups. So you have to check on Snups to get notified of what is going to be limited and what's going to be a general release. So go to check out the Snups, and then you're going to have a better chance of getting the items when they release to see what's going to be limited and what's not. Man, way to start the video off with a lot of information. But, you know, it is what it is. So let's get into today. I was going to film the Air Jordan 1 video today, how to lace them, but it's raining outside, it's a crappy day out. So I was going to film the Air Jordan 1 how to lace video today, but like I showed you before, it's raining outside. You know, it's been raining all day. So today, we're going to do where to get the best shoe trees for your shoes. Let me get the shoes that I'm going to show you some examples on.
I ain't got nobody on my mind sometimes. I wish I had you, but I don't, that's fine. So I guess it's okay. Yeah, I guess it's okay.
So I'm going to show you how to get your shoe from this to this in one simple step. One thing to solve this whole problem. That's a shoe tree. I'm going to give you guys some more examples before I tell you guys where to get these shoe trees at. Next up, we have the Adidas NMDs right here. As you can see, the shape is very nice as well. So this looks nice, but does this look good? This is how they would be if I did not have these shoe trees in. Like this. Crappy, you know, no one, you know, it's going to be like this. And then when you put your foot in, it's just going to look messed up. That's why you have to invest in some nice shoe trees, especially if you want to resell a shoe down the line. Get some shoe trees to preserve your shoe. And the last one is the Vapor Max. You can see night and day with all these shoes I'm showing you guys. One without the shoe tree, one with the shoe tree. It's just night and day. So I'm going to show you guys where to get these shoe trees. So they are not from IKEA, the 99-cent ones. My experience with them, I had one before and it just broke in like a month. A really poor quality, but you know, if you have a lot of shoes, definitely get them, I guess. And these retail for $3.99 and you can get them at any Walmart right here. You know, I had to order the IKEA ones online because I don't have an IKEA by me at all, like nowhere by me. So that's why I had to get these from Walmart. You can go to literally any Walmart. Everyone has a Walmart. Everybody can get these. And they are the Soft Shoes Care plastic shoe trees right here. Preserve shoe shape. Men's size 7 through 13. So you're good to go on basically all the sizes. And they have women's 5 to 11 with this one for $3.99. And let me show you what they look like now. Here they are right here. Very simple shoe tree. In the black, you see it has this pivot right here, and it does turn, so right and left shoe, it does turn for right and left. And all you do is, this comes out, all you do is pinch this in the middle, and you can put it in any shoe size you need, and then clap it down. I'll show you some examples on the shoes right now.
Sometimes I wish I had you, but I don't, that's fine. So I guess it's okay. Yeah, I guess it's okay.
So what you need is a shoe, then you have the shoe tree right here like I showed you before. Very simple, high quality. It's not gonna break on you. And then all you gotta do, open the shoe up like so, and then put the shoe tree in, close it down. There you have it. That's how it's supposed to be, man. You don't want no flimsy toe box. You want to keep your shoe's shape. You want to preserve that shape. And as you can see, I'll give you another example right now. So here's another one. If you haven't seen this up close, you can see the toe box perfect flush compared to this one, where it's just, you know, sagging on in the middle. It's all knit, so you know they're gonna sag if you don't keep the shape. So all you gotta do, again, like I showed you on the racer, put it in, wait for that click, and then there you go. You're good to store your shoes like so. Perfect shape, perfect everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys go get the shoe trees. Let me know down below if you're gonna cop those shoe trees, or if you have a different shoe tree you use. Let me know down below. And guys, make sure to go follow my Snopes account right now, _, and follow Collection 1, the Shelf Collection 1. It'll let you know everything about the drop, when it's dropping, the day, availability, sizing, everything. So go follow my Snopes account, and we have a giveaway going on. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram, _, comment down on the giveaway video. And I hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, or of course subscribe. And until next time, peace.